Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.
Not too far. Whoa, this guy's fighting hard. He's running.
No. Come here.
Oh, come on, guy. Big one. Jeez. Oh my gosh, this one is. Wow. Hold that one. Oh my. This guy is huge. This is the biggest bluegill I've ever caught.
Wait, is your GoPro on?
Ryan.
Yeah. Wait.
There we
Oh my
go.
gosh, that guy's huge. How do you catch one this big? Oh my god. It's bigger than the. Hey guys, I just wanted to end off the video here. Sorry I didn't get to that when we were fishing, and that was yesterday, by the way. We just had a lot of things to do after, but I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.